Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the steps for making cloves water to nourish your hair and help it grow longer. Just a little bit of information about cloves. Cloves are a versatile spice with a nice aroma, packed with a variety of nutrients for healthy hair and scalp. These essential vitamins and minerals are known to stimulate hair follicles while promoting blood circulation, which leads to faster hair growth. One of the most powerful natural components that is found in cloves is called eugenol. It provides antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant, which promotes hair growth. Cloves are also an effective treatment for dandruff, itchy scalp, and hair loss, such as alopecia. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I make cloves water the infused way, starting from the beginning to the end. So sit tight and follow along with these simple step-by-step instructions. Please note that the information in this video is for educational purposes only. If you're allergic to certain spices such as cloves or have any pre-existing medical conditions, please check with your medical professional for advice. So, the things you need are a measuring spoon to measure 2 tablespoons of dried cloves. You'll also need 2 cups of water, preferably distilled water instead of tap water, an airtight glass container, a strainer, and essential oils of your choice, which is optional. Infusion method. Add the cloves to the jar, then measure 2 cups of water. You will then pour the water into the jar. Now you can place the lid on it and twist it to carefully close it. So basically, the infusion way is done by leaving the cloves to soak overnight in a glass jar. As it sits overnight, all the key components such as beta-carotene and eugenol are extracted, giving the water its beautiful brown color. This is the next day, and as you can see, the water is now brown. This rich color is a sign that all the nutrients that you need for your hair has been extracted. Go ahead and grab a spray bottle and a funnel, because you can't afford for any of this precious water to spill. You will also need a strainer to prevent the cloves from getting in the spray bottle. Make sure to have your favorite essential oils ready to add to the bottle. Add your favorite essential oils. You can add one or more at a time if you choose to do so. Shake the bottle before using. The cloves water is now ready to use. Tip of the day. For maximum benefit, spritz the cloves water on your scalp and massage it thoroughly, making sure it distributes onto the strands of your hair. You may use it as a leave-in treatment 2 to 3 times a week, or use it on wash day before applying a conditioner to your hair. For storage, you can store your cloves water at room temperature. Since cloves are a natural preservative, you don't need to refrigerate it. Simply keep it in a glass bottle and refill your spray bottle as needed. Comment down below any additional tips you would like to share. To complement this video, I also added a clip of me using the cloves water. But before we move to the next section, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to see more amazing videos like this. As you can see, I'm struggling to detangle my hair. But as I continue to apply the cloves water, my hair started to get softer. I usually can tell the difference when I apply cloves water to my scalp and hair because I'll instantly feel and see the difference in the texture and the overall appearance. My hair just feels more softer, silkier, and bouncy. Also, when using consistently, cloves water helps to promote faster hair growth and overall health. I have seen the difference since I started using it a few years ago. This simple DIY remedy is also the perfect solution for restoring your edges, bald spots, and thinning hair. Okay, that is it for today. Thanks for sticking with me this far, and thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see more amazing videos like this, please click on the notification bell and you will be notified whenever new videos are posted.